Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2023 Nexus Triumph 30 TSC. If you're ready to make the jump to a bigger, more capable cross-country unit, you can't go wrong with a Super C. The Triumph series units are the most affordable price Super C on the market, and that is certainly not to say that they are lacking in any way. Powered by an International MV chassis and an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission, power is definitely an ample supply. This not only allows for better drivability, but also opens up the door for towing larger trailers up to 10,000 pounds. On top of the power, this unit is also quite the looker. With full body paint and all new Frost Cabinetry to go along with the bright paint scheme inside and out, the unit definitely stands out from the rest. Along with the unit's looks, the amount of exterior storage on this unit is also quite impressive. So whether you're headed out for a short trip or a long one, you will certainly have plenty of space to bring along all the necessities. Also on the exterior, you will notice that the unit comes standard with a hydraulic leveling system and onboard 6,000 watt diesel generator. These items help make any spot the perfect spot because you will be less reliant on needing a perfectly flat area or access to a power source. Once you're in the unit, you will notice how open the floor plan is. This is due to the full-length slide out on the driver's side of the unit. Even with the slide in, the unit is fully accessible. But slide it out, and even with the couch and dinette folded down into beds, you will still have all the room you could possibly need. And as usual, Nexus did an amazing job of supplying interior storage space throughout the whole unit, but specifically in the bedroom with a full wardrobe built into the slide. This unit has so much to offer at a great price given its size and features. To learn more, give us a call or come on by to check one out for yourself.